This is Stuti Gogia. In case you are listening this voice for the very first time, you can go check out my social media handles. And this is season 3 of Stuti Speaks. And today I have a very special guest with me whose name is Raghuveer. So Raghuveer is currently director of marketing head at Z5. So which is like the OTT and everything, which is all coming new in the space. He is like into marketing from quite a long time. So I heard your podcast with Nidhi and I think it was really inspiring. I had a lot of good insights from your podcast. So I thought, why not to invite you on mine too and listen more about your journey, because I know that podcast was more about marketing. So let's start about your journey and your site, like insights about OTT marketing and what's coming next and everything. So we can start from your journey, Raghuveer, and take it from there. I'll pass it on to you. You can give a bit of your intro to the audience and listeners, and we can take it from there.
Okay, thank you so much, Stuti. I think it's great to be there and given an opportunity to share my experiences with audience and hope it helps them. To give you a little more, a little more peek into my career. It's been I think 15 years now that I've been working and been in the space of marketing and. Fortunate enough to work in different industries. I've worked with 4 industries now. This is my latest. I've never from a media background, but I've stuck to marketing, and I think it just makes a difference. When you work in a different department or a different role, and when you work in marketing, that you still have a flexibility to uh, be true to the nature of work and not to the industry. That what marketing helps. And there's a lot of stereotyping that happens when you work in a particular industry, but thankfully it does not happen with me, because and the whole credit goes to the profile which I handle, because at the end of the day it's consumer and the products. So yeah, that's like my a brief into my career. How I started. So I've hopped cities as I hopped industries as well. I belong to a small town in West Bengal. Uh, did my schooling there. Somehow landed in Delhi. There was no scope. There was no things has happened very haphazard with me. So somehow I landed because I never had any relative link or pull. Most of my family based out in Bengal or in Punjab, where my roots are. But in Delhi also it happened. I landed there, worked there, studied there, and then suddenly Mumbai happened. Again, nobody here. It just happened because uh, I wanted to do MBA, and all my peers were doing CA, CS, and everything, which I never wanted to do. So
Okay.
just to escape that, I thought I'll do MBA because nobody was doing that, and I was running against the wave that I need to do that. And then I chose something which is called retail. In
Okay.
that time, it's 2007. I'm going back long years back. So retail was a very new concept, and and it was happening. And I did some of my research, and somehow there were 2 colleges in Bombay who were doing it. That's how Bombay happened. I came to Bombay, and I did my MBA and then started working here. And then since then, I've been in Bombay. Started off with retail. Worked good 5 years with two of the interesting brands, I'll say, uh, with Tata Trent, which was a joint venture with Tesco, and the Shopper Stop Group. They had
Wow.
the retail Hypercity. Worked there for 5 years. 5 years into retail marketing. Then took a drastic change. Went into finance. Which is Aditya Birla Capital. Again, worked there for 3.5 years in a very different role of learning digital marketing. That's I call it a learning stepping stone for me, because I come from traditional marketing, and fortunate enough to be in the times where there was no social media, and then there was only social media.
Yes.
So we are like the transitions between the offline to online, as you can put it. So that happened. Then in between, because I had to be relevant to what I do, because I never want to be obsolete, because I was looking at a very I was learning from traditional marketers, because they come from 80s, and were in the 2000s, and they were that time the marketing heads and or the department heads, and a lot of traditional marketing was happening. And meanwhile, in the market, a lot of transition was happening. Social media was slightly slowly coming in, digital media was slowly coming in. How to be relevant, because your profile doesn't require it. When I was with Tata, and I was with there was social media was just starting. It Facebook was just a page. Learning those, how to do those, new courses were coming in, because there were no like digital marketing hardcore, like how you get today, performance marketing in Google and this and that. Those were not there at that time. But uh, chose some of the online courses, did those, learned digital marketing, and then whatever happened on the job. So that's how digital marketing happened. So it got into Aditya Birla, and literally handled a entirely different role altogether. So that's what's my stepping stone into digital. And then Z5 happened, which is media again, very different. And I've always spent years in my organizations. Other than that one organization which was for 1 year, I've always spent 4 years, 3 years. And you tend to get a little
Comfortable.
stereotyped.
Yeah.
Yeah. And because you get to know the industry people get to know you.
Yes.
So all these happens. But again, at some good point of time, things have happened, and then that's how OTT happens. And then I think it's been 4 years now
Oh
that
wow.
the OTT and entertainment marketing is happening. So yeah, I mean, this is how my the pie is divided. If I have to take small piece of industry which have happened, but one thing which has been common is marketing. As
Marketing.
I said, yeah. So I think learning the consumers, whatever I've learned in traditional marketing, learning that learning of consumers always stayed with me,
Mm.
and that have helped me to adapt to different organizations, different industries, and also to give it to the credit of the people who hired me, that they took a chance. And literally, people, when you actually hire,
Mm.
you ask for relevant experience from the industry. That's the first question which comes in. But
Right.
with me, these two things have not happened, and very fortunate for that. And yeah, that's how the entire 15 years
15
summed
minutes.
up, broken into pieces.
Yeah. So let's go one by one. थोड़ा सा story building करते हैं. The point is, first start from your point where you I think you mentioned that you were doing CS and then you switched to MBA. So what was that mindset which kind of caused this turn कि नहीं CS नहीं करना है, now I have to go to MBA. Then we'll come like one by one. Yeah. First that.
Yeah, so interestingly in this podcast also मैंने बताया था कि CS मैंने किया था, ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने CS नहीं
अच्छा
किया था.
किया था. Okay.
ले, हाँ, लेकिन I'm a dropout. So
Okay.
I did one, उसमें I don't know what it's called. They're like more inter, and then there are two more
Two
parts to
more
it.
parts to
The
it.
first,
Yeah.
yeah, the first part I almost cleared, and I got stuck in, I think, law.
Hmm.
But when I was doing it, I was not doing it with all my heart, because again, law was not something which I was not interested in, and all this. I was doing BCom honors from Delhi University, one of the toughest courses you can do. We were like studying and only studying. There was
Hmm.
maths, there was statics, and there was this. Everything was going fine, But then the creativity, there was a knack of
Hmm.
creativity, because I was very much interested into on-ground events. I was quite
Hmm.
attracted to how events were done.
Okay.
And that's how I think in Delhi you get this fair which happens in Pragati Maidan.
Yeah.
Yeah,
क्या बोलते हैं उसको, trade fair?
trade fair. Yeah.
Trade fair. Yeah.
So I started going there when I was in college, and we used to have a lot of time. I used to go there, and on the spot they were they used to hire people to stand in
हाँ
the
कि
stalls.
sale करो. हाँ. Right. Right.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
so on the spot interviews used to happen, like four peoples in a group. They used to ask, and if they find your communication skills are fine, they used to give a T-shirt, and you wear
Oh.
that T-shirt and you stand in the stall, and you spend 3-4 hours, and you used to get 200-300-400 rupees a stipend.
Yeah.
So I've done a lot of those, and that's how I started liking the conversation which was happening with consumers. The people used to come, they used to do query.
Hmm.
There was a lot of branding which was done. So I think subconsciously I was learning marketing there. How
Yeah.
brands are coming in, how those creatives were done, those pamphlets and leaflets, and it was quite I think that's where I realized that I like this thing. This is my thing. I love to do this, and maybe why not explore a career in this. And
Hmm.
that's how I started asking people around me कि इस पे कैसे घुसा जा सकता है.
Got it.
CACS तो ठीक है, CA में तो समझ में आ जाएगा कि चलो अभी स्ट्रगल है, बाद में people earn a lot of money and all, and everyone was doing it. Honestly, I was in a bunch of people who were doing CACS, and when I used to talk creativity, and there was hardly people.
Hmm.
But then, because I also, when I had, some bit of, when I was preparing for MBA and all, so I got into I dropped out, and I started preparing for CAT, MAT, and everything. And in between, I was working with in Gurgaon for KPO, so I was working with WNS.
Wow. Okay, you have
While I
worked in
was there,
WNS? Great.
yes,
The one
yeah.
on
So
the highway, that
yeah,
near the
yeah.
petrol pump.
Correct. Cyber Green, I think, was the
Yeah, yeah,
office
yeah, yeah,
name.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, if IFCO Chowk ke paas.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it.
So,
Hmm. Hmm.
so while I was working there, I met a lot of people also, and that's where my perspective also changed. That okay, fine. Uh, there is this world outside of CACS as well, and that's where my interest was developing. So that made me took this decision that I don't want to pursue CS, and try karte hain, let's just get into MBA. And that's how the preparations happened. Then I gave exams and a lot of stuff, and then then Mumbai happened. And I applied to a lot of, as I said, retail was something which was coming up, and we were seeing a lot of malls coming in Noida and Gurgaon and all.
Yeah.
uh, and then a lot of articles I used to read that Walmart India aega, Tesco India aega, Carrefour India aega, which was these are bigger brands, and आप attracted हो जाते हो कि चलो ये आएगा तो there is scope. वो बात अलग है कि when I got into retail, I got to know कि हाँ इसमें पैसे नहीं होते हैं. That's a separate thing. But
But I think
जो
now it's
learning,
sorry, I'm cutting you off. I think up it's coming like up hai paise with IKEA and Walmart coming in. I'm not sure about Walmart, but with IKEA coming in and few more
yeah,
major brands coming in, I think there is a growth here. But anyways, continue. Sorry.
yeah. So no, there is. So even ऐसा नहीं है कि उस टाइम पे भी नहीं था. तो that's how Mumbai happened, because retail and marketing dual specialization का course कोई कर दे नहीं रहा था, and everyone
Hmm.
was giving marketing.
Hmm.
That's
Got
the
it.
risk I took, and thankfully to my parents, they were never interfering in where should I join and all. So everything was left to me, that you
Whatever you
explore. My
want.
dad was a businessman, and he never had time. One thing he did great was empowering me, saying that take your decision, ask people around. There's no harm in asking, and because he was also a creative person, but he didn't never did business. He never had business degrees and all. All he had art degrees and all. So he said, I can only help you with money, and rest you have to do. That's how I started connecting with people, and that's how MBA happened, and I came to Bombay, and thankfully I did my MBA and then took my break, and then I'm still in Bombay. I think
Doing good, doing great.
doing good things
Doing
have
great.
happened.
In fact, very much good. So basically, एक और बात, let's talk about the end goal. So what I think, like maybe I'm not from marketing, but maybe जो learning है, end goal being a marketer is how much the end user or the person or the client you are dealing with is happy from you, from the outcome, from the product you are delivering, whatever it is, right? So how was that like learning for you, evolving learning? Reason being, like obviously when you started it was early and marketing क्या होती थी, newspaper, billboards थोड़े बहुत, and then कुछ भी ads. Now it's like social media and podcasting and what you name it, and there's a marketing going on, be it radio, be it
Yeah.
from everything. Like print is still here, print has not gone yet, newspaper are still
Yeah.
here, ads are still here. So how much like you think that as a person your journey evolved being a marketer, because now there are like 30 different medias of marketing, and you might have started with three or four. So yeah, I want to know that insights.
See, things have changed quite a lot. अगर हम 10 साल पहले जाएं, and we, when I started, and if I consider, marketing उस टाइम पे क्या होती थी कि, as you said, it was ad,
Ad.
paper ad होता था,
हम्म।
आप, और या फिर
ज्यादा पैसे
बिलबोर्ड्स
तो
होते थे।
बिल बोर्ड लगा दोगे कहीं पे थोड़े और
हाँ, और बहुत ज्यादा पैसे हैं तो रेडियो और टीवी करते थे, एंड टीवी
एग्जैक्टली।
वाज
टीवी
एक्सपेंसिव
वाज
मीडियम।
मेजर बिकॉज जो शोज के बीच में जो एड्स आते थे वो, राइट।
हाँ, तो एंड क्या होता था कि टीवी का एपेटाइट सबके पास नहीं होता था कि, जो लो मार्जिन बिजनेस है जैसे रिटेल हुआ, टीवी का एपेटाइट नहीं होता था। तो जितना हो सके हम प्रिंट एड करते थे, और उसमें तो उस टाइम की मार्केटिंग क्या होता था कि प्रमोशंस लगाओ, यानी कि 50% ऑफ है, ये हीरो है तुम्हारा, इसको बड़ा करो, इसको बनाओ, मार्केटिंग सेल ही है, एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी वर टॉट, एंड
या
अनलर्निंग में भी बहुत टाइम लगा। सो
या
कि प्रिंट एड पे हम कोशिश करते थे कि यू शो सम क्रिएटिविटी, यू शो कि आप एक फैमिली दिखा दो कि चलो आपके कंज्यूमर जैसा है, वो उसको छोटा करते थे, कहते कि ये 50% ऑफ लगाओ, ये बाय वन गेट वन को बड़ा करो, इससे कस्टमर आएंगे। एक्चुअली कस्टमर का माइंडसेट भी वही था। तो ये उस टाइम का था। नाउ कट टू अभी का जो टाइम आ गया है, इस पे क्या होता है ना, आपको कम्युनिटी बिल्ड करनी है, सोशल मीडिया बहुत बड़ा हो गया है, कम्युनिटी बिल्ड करनी है, आपको ब्रांड की तरह नहीं सोचना, आपको ह्यूमन की तरह सोचना
ह्यूमन
है,
की तरह
लाइक,
सोचते हैं।
या मतलब ब्रांड हैज टू बी योर फ्रेंड। सो
ट्रू।
वो हो गया है। अभी की आइडियोलॉजी बोलती है कि डोंट हार्ड सेल, मतलब कि ज्यादा ना सेल मत करो, कि एकदम जस्ट डोंट टॉक अबाउट कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट ले लो, प्रोडक्ट वो मत बोलो, यू शो वैल्यू। आप बताओ कि आप उनके साथ बैठो, आप अगर सोशल मीडिया के अभी पोस्ट देखोगे तो इट विल बी मोर अबाउट, इतना भी होता है कि व्हाट आर यू वाचिंग, ऐसे
एग्जैक्टली।
नॉर्मली जैसे दोस्त बात करते
वही
हैं।
मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, इवन लाइक मी बीइंग अ वेरी माइक्रो इन्फ्लुएंसर, अगर मैं कुछ बोल भी रही हूँ तो वो एक तरह से मार्केटिंग है, राइट? बिकॉज इफ
या
आई एम सेइंग टू थ्री पीपल, दोस थ्री टू गो टू सिक्स, एंड दैट्स हाउ द market is building. So it goes through
या
that micro level of people doing every what they are doing in every day, like what a lifestyle vlogger is doing on day to day basis. Everything he's showing is a brand, like brand marketing
या
itself, right?
या
So it has
या
gone to that level. Yeah, sorry, you were saying something. I just,
Yeah.
yeah,
No, I'm
interrupted.
just saying that ideology of marketing has changed so much, and again very fortunate because कि हमने दोनों टाइम देखा है। So जो
Yes.
ट्रांजिशन हुआ है, जो थॉट प्रोसेस के बीच में आया, बिकॉज नॉन इंटरनेट का जमाना इतना ज्यादा हेविली डिपेंडेंट था ऑन व्हाट इज टू बी शोन, मतलब को जो दिखता था वो बिकता था।
Yes.
अभी का जमाना ऐसा हो गया ना, अभी सर्च का जमाना हो गया है, लोग खुद ढूंढ निकालते हैं, सो वन यू हैव टू बी देयर, सेकंड यू कांट बी कि जो आपने पुश कर दिया वो रियलिटी हो गई। पीपल आर वेरी स्मार्ट, ऑप्शन ज्यादा है, इंटरनेट बहुत ज्यादा कवरेज में आ गया है। सो नाउ यू हैव टू डू वेरी टैक्टफुली, इतने chaos के बीच में यू जस्ट हैव टू स्टैंड आउट, यू हैव टू क्रिएट मोर वैल्यू, कि लोगों को लगे कि हाँ चलो ये बेटर है। यानी कि प्राइसिंग गेम तो खत्म हो गया है, कि इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट आपने सस्ता दे दिया तो आप अच्छे हैं, या फिर आप सबसे महंगा देते हो तो आप अच्छे हो।
No, true that.
वो इट्स अ गुड ट्रांस, यू हैव गुड ऑफ बोथ। वो ट्रेडिशनल वाली लर्निंग लो और ये डिजिटल वाली लर्निंग लो, ऐड करो, दैट समथिंग व्हिच कम्स आउट, इट्स वेरी रेलिवेंट, कि दैट कंज्यूमर को समझ में आते हैं। बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं जो 30+ का एज ग्रुप है उसने भी पुराना जमाना देखा है, एंड जो उसके नीचे का है उसने सिर्फ डिजिटल जमाना देखा है। सो
True.
यू हैव टू केटर टू बोथ ऑफ देम।
True.
तो आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ इट हैज इवॉल्व्ड, and
Evolve.
it's evolving. तो
Full evolve.
every it is every day, every week and every month की learning है। 12 साल या 14-15 साल के बाद भी there is something which comes and I have no idea कि अच्छा
True.
ये गूगल ने चेंज कर दिया, ये फेसबुक ने चेंज कर दिया, अच्छा इसको दोबारा पढ़ना पड़ेगा, इसको दोबारा समझना पड़ेगा,
True.
ये कैसे वर्क
Constant,
करता है।
constant learning.
या सो इट्स फॉरएवर, वो होता है ना कि यू कैन नॉट टेम मार्केटिंग, मार्केटिंग इज टेमिंग यू। तो उस हिसाब से चल रहा है कि जैसे जैसे वो इवॉल्व हो रहा है, वी ऑल्सो हैव टू इवॉल्व अ लॉट।
evolved
So
a
that's
lot.
how, and that makes it very interesting because आप कभी भी बोर नहीं होते क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ नया आता रहता
Are. And that you are on a constant path of growth. On that note,
है.
let's now talk about the hot topic, which is OTT and the growth coming in, and a bit of comparison of like how it's taking up the market from Bollywood or theaters or whatever. आई नो आई मीन वो कहने की बात होती है बिकॉज जब मॉल्स नहीं थे तो लोग बोलते थे शॉप्स नहीं चलेगी, अब शॉप्स भी चलती है, मॉल्स भी चलते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. सिमिलरली प्रिंट मीडिया आज भी चल रहा है और डिजिटल मार्केटिंग आज भी चल रही है. सो आई एम वेरी श्योर कि ओटीटी भी चलेगा और थिएटर भी चलेगा. बट लाइक व्हाट्स कमिंग, व्हाट आर ट्रेंड्स यू सीइंग, बिकॉज यू आर इनटू बिजनेस लाइक फ्रॉम 4 years नाउ. आई एम श्योर आपके पास जो डेटा एनालिटिक्स होंगे, जो डेटा इंसाइट्स होंगे, दे आर मच डीपर. So I want to talk about your that strength area. Let's talk about it now. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you gave the best example जो शायद मैं भी कोट करता. It was कि जब malls आ रहे थे तो सबने बोला ट्रेडिशनल मॉम एंड पॉप स्टोर्स गायब हो जाएंगे, ब्रिक एंड मोटर खत्म हो जाएगा. जब ऑनलाइन आ रहा था तब ये हुआ था.
Hmm.
एवरीवन थॉट कि जो नया आता है उसकी एडेप्टेबिलिटी इतनी हो जाएगी कि पुराने को लोग भूल जाएंगे, बट ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. सो एवरीथिंग विल को एग्जिस्ट, एवरीथिंग हैज देयर ओन बेनिफिट. तो लोगों को बोथ वर्ल्ड चाहिए. एज अ कंज्यूमर आई वांट बोथ, यानी कि आई वांट टू गो एंड शॉप इन अ शॉप, मतलब एक मार्केट में जाके आई वांट टू बाय स्टफ आल्सो. समथिंग आई वांट टू सिट एट होम एंड आल्सो ऑर्डर,
True.
which consumer दोनों कर रहे हैं, because that's how it is and it is going to be like that now.
True.
अगर OTT और थिएटर की बात करें तो I'll tell you, theater is never getting killed. जो एक्सपीरियंस थिएटर का होता है उसका अलग ही. थिएटर इज नॉट अबाउट watching movies and watching entertainment is OTT. Theater is all about that family time, that friends time. It's an outing. So
Experience. The user
yeah, it's an
experience.
experience. Yes, and by the way you watch a movie. यानी कि कैसा होता है कि now if you say कि मुझे फिल्म देखनी है, and why most of the theaters have gone into malls is that you give, आपने शॉपिंग भी कर ली, आपने फूड कोर्ट में खाना भी खा लिया, और आपने फिल्म भी देख ली. ईदर ऑफ द थ्री में आप दो चीजें तो कर रहे हो, या तो आप
Hmm.
फिल्म देख रहे हो, खाना खा रहे हो, या शॉपिंग कर रहे हो, फिल्म देख रहे हो. एनीथिंग यू डू has to be an experience, and that's how theaters will survive, because आप quality times out of the home करने के लिए जा रहे हो. एक मी टाइम होता है, that is theater, and that's how you see 1,000 crores and 600-700 करोड़ की फिल्में आज भी आ रही हैं.
आ रही हैं.
And
True that.
जवान भी कर गई,
जवान
पठान
भी
भी
कर
कर गई,
गए.
कदर भी कर गई, एंड ये करते रहेंगे. बिकॉज यहाँ पे पीपल वांट देयर दैट क्वालिटी टाइम, दे वांट देयर फैमिली टाइम. उनको ले जाके उनका ये एंटरटेनमेंट हो सकता है. बिकॉज अभी भी डुअल इनकम कैटेगरी इज वेरी लेस. यू सी दैट थिंग्स काफी कम है. ये दे स्टिल वन पर्सन अर्निंग. नाउ द होल फैमिली सिटिंग, हफ्ते हफ्ते वो घर पे हैं. Weekends are the only time when they go out, and film is one easiest way where you don't have to plan. तो क्या होता है ना कि that's how theater comes in, and some things are experience. जो आप जाएंगे थिएटर में ही मजा आएगा. Like I being into OTT also, I'll not wait for things to come on OTT to watch.
True.
I will
True.
still go to theater and watch it because मुझे Marvel वही देखना है. If there is something nice VFX done, अगर अवतार आएगी, I will want to go and watch अवतार there.
Right.
So OTT is a very personalized entertainment experience. यानी कि ये आपके टीवी को रिप्लेस कर रहा है, ये आपके थिएटर को रिप्लेस नहीं कर रहा है. आपके जो चैनल आप देखते थे, या फिर थिंग्स यू यूज्ड टू वेट, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि व्हेन टीवी में भी देयर इज GC चैनल, देन देयर इज मूवी चैनल, देन देयर इज म्यूजिक चैनल्स. कुछ ऑडियंस सिर्फ मूवीज देखते हैं, कुछ सिर्फ न्यूज देखते थे, कुछ सिर्फ GCs देखते थे, अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर एज एंड डेमोग्राफिक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. टीवी वाज ऑलरेडी, टीवी वाज योर OTT पहले, जहाँ पे कि आपने, लेकिन क्या होता था टीवी में, यू हैड टू डिपेंड ऑन देयर स्केड्यूल. देन OTT केम इन, OTT आपको कन्वीनियंस दे दिया, सेइंग दैट नाउ इफ अभी आपको न्यूज देखनी है तो आप न्यूज देख लो, बिकॉज वो तो है ही. फिल्म देखनी है फिल्म देख लो, शो देखना शो देख लो. दैट्स व्हाट OTT डिड, एंड इट दैट्स वेयर यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ टीवी गेटिंग रिप्लेस्ड, बट नॉट थिएटर्स. थिएटर अपनी जगह पे चलता रहेगा as usual, and it is not going to whatever years you can say.
But in that case, my question is, sorry, in case I cut you off a little early, do you think that OTT is replacing TV? Because I think that is also somehow coexisting, because there is an audience that they cater to. And people who are seeing
Yeah,
Anupama, they are still seeing Anupama on TV only. They are not
yeah, yeah.
OTT people. Yeah.
क्या हो रहा है, लोग अनुपमा, कुमकुम, कुंडली सब देख रहे हैं, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि वो डीटीएच के थ्रू देख रहे हैं, वो ओटीटी के थ्रू देख रहे हैं। यानी कि किसी ने हॉटस्टार सब्सक्राइब किया, अनुपमा देखा, किसी ने जी5 सब्सक्राइब किया, उसने कुंडली देखा, एंड वो भी बिफोर टीवी, यानी कि टीवी में एपिसोड आने से पहले देख लिया।
Okay,
That
got it.
thrill of discussing an episode before everybody has seen it, you don't know उसका हाई क्या होता है। That is more than any drugs। यानी कि मैंने जाके ये बोल दिया कि अच्छा मैंने तो एपिसोड देख लिया, उसमें तो आज ये हो जाएगा। इट्स अ स्पॉइलर, लोगों को फोमो हो जाता है कि अरे आपने कैसे देख लिया, बोले ओटीटी में तो बिफोर टीवी आ जाता है, यानी कि 9 बजे आपके पास आ रहा है, मेरे पास दोपहर में 1 बजे आ जाता है एपिसोड। That's how it is. So when I say it's replacing TV, it's like you are moving out of DTH, you are getting more OTT subscriptions, and you are now logging in, because the internet in India is very cheap. Throughout the world also, this shift has changed, and that's where the concept of connected TV is coming. So,
Okay.
Yeah. So
And what is
TV
that?
is,
I want to know more about that. What is that?
yeah. So connected TV is your smart TVs.
Okay.
just आजकल Android based TVs आ गए हैं, या फिर अपने वेब बेस्ड TVs आ गए हैं, जैसे
Right.
सबका OS है, Apple TV आ गया है।
Apple TV आ गया।
जब आप इसको ऑन करोगे ना, आपको नीचे सारे एप्स मिलेंगे, यानी कि ये
Yeah.
फोन का ही ओएस है लेकिन टीवी में है।
Okay.
So you see a lot of, and the TV are getting connected to Wi-Fi, और वाईफाई करने के बाद आपको जस्ट लॉग इन करना है, एंड यू कैन वॉच your OTTs there.
Okay, I didn't
This
know
is
that
what
it's called as connective TV. मुझे वैसे पता था,
Yes.
मुझे ये नहीं पता था उसे connected TV बोलते हैं।
Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
उसको connected TV बोलते हैं, and then there is a concept which is quite popular and coming up, is called cord cutters. Cord cutters यानी कि जो आपके पहले टीवी और डिश का लाइन आता था, टीवी के अंदर घुसती थी वो तार निकल चुकी है। अब जरूरी नहीं है वो तार, क्योंकि अब आप connected TV के हिसाब से, स्मार्ट टीवी के हिसाब से, you can watch all everything live as you're watching on DTH. That's why DTH also, if you see Airtel, if you see Jio, they are entering into set-top boxes where OTT is already pre-installed. They are also converting your normal TV into smart TV. So या तो आपके पास नॉर्मल टीवी है, तो आपने वो सेट टॉप बॉक्स लगा दिया और आपका टीवी स्मार्ट टीवी में कन्वर्ट हो गया, या फिर आपने Amazon Fire Stick लगा दिया जो कि नॉर्मल टीवी में लगा और टीवी को स्मार्ट बना दिया, या फिर आपने एक स्मार्ट टीवी ले लिया। So that concept of cord cutter is increasing, and connected TV का connected devices का penetration भी बढ़ रहा है। So this is the actual shift which is happening, and that's where OTT is gaining more share. But yes, that entire debate of theaters versus OTT is, I think we should wipe that out, क्योंकि वो नहीं होगा।
True that. I completely agree. Yeah, and इससे ना मेरे को एक और चीज़ याद आई, which is my personal childhood experience। तो जब हमारे घर केबल्स होते थे तो my mom used to say, यार ये कितनी सारी तारें हैं, मेरा बस चले तो मैं सारी तारें हटा दूँ, because कहीं से वो VCR वाली तार हो रही होती थी, कहीं से वो बड़े बड़े स्पीकर्स वाली तार हो रही होती थी। And now I can see their vision coming true, because I have a TV and there is no voice, there is Bluetooth, everything is wire free, and things are like so clean and neat and niche. So the point is that yeah, the journey has anyways evolved from being cord to cordless, to what you said.
Yeah.
So what do you think is more coming, and how about, I mean, only if you have insights about it, how you think that AI is going to impact the upcoming OTT journey or entertainment journey for that matter?
See, AI is already impacting. AI अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि नया है, अभी buzzword ज़्यादा बन गया है। AI is always there. Last couple of years they have been there, and जितना भी machine learning है, that is AI only. Where if we are running a digital marketing or a performance ad, और हमने ad डाल दिया, and then the machine is learning and displaying the best of the ads to consumer, ये थ्रू आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस ही है। सो ये ऑलरेडी था, अभी क्या है, अभी ये थोड़ा बज़वर्ड ज्यादा आ रहा है, बिकॉज द मोमेंट चैट जीपीटी केम इन, सडनली पीपल स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग कि ओके, देयर इज अ टर्म कॉल्ड एआई आल्सो। बट वो तो सिर्फ कॉपी राइटिंग में आया है, एक पार्ट। बट फ्रॉम योर विजुअल्स टू योर ऑडियोज टू योर एड्स एंड एवरीथिंग, ये चीजें होनी शुरू हो गई थी। द वीआर केम इन लॉन्ग बैक। वीआर में भी एक टाइप ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस ही था when virtual reality was coming in. So it has already been there. It's gaining more share क्योंकि it makes your life easy. It makes things very smarter. और इसमें क्या होता है कि इसमें past learning already होती है. They pick up the best of what is happening and all. and
Like
gives you
Netflix,
also a lot
they
of,
also showed people who watch this also watched it. That's AI only. That's what it
yeah,
did on
that's a
previous.
recommendation.
Yeah.
Correct. So
Mm.
it's already there, and it's just going to become bigger. And I don't think so there is need to worry, because these are all to help us.
Mm.
चीजों को और बेटर बनाने के लिए हैं. कुछ भी irrelevant नहीं होगा just because of this. Things will start getting more smarter because of AI. चीजें काफी easy हो जाएंगी. पहले क्या होता था कि अगर आपको एक रिकमेंडेशन इंजन बनाना है, आपको कंज्यूमर का पास डेटा, लॉट ऑफ पास डेटा, एंड देन उसको चर्न करके एक कंज्यूमर लुकलाइक बनता है, वेयर यू टेक दैट यूजर्स बिहेवियर एंड देन यू स्टार्ट प्रेडिक्टिंग कि ऐसा अगर कोई हुआ तो उसको ये चार चीजें अच्छी लगेंगी.
अच्छी
फ्रॉम
लगेगी.
देयर from there now we have evolved to that, there are tools where which can easily, जिस पे आप डेटा फीड करो और वो आपको एक प्रेडिक्शन दे देगा. तो that's what AI is doing, and अच्छा है, it's for good. It is not going to replace anyone, even for copywriting also, because क्या होता है ना कि if I don't know if you use AI and if you try sometimes, अगर आप कुछ prompt देते हो उस पे and जो उसका response आता है, आप पढ़ के ही आपके साथ connect नहीं करेगा, because it's a very it's not a language which you are used, which you have read or you're used to
True.
understand. It is very it's a good nicely done
True.
crafted line, but वो क्या होता है ना कि वो repeated हो जाता है, यानी कि 3-4 प्रॉम्प्ट के बाद आपको लगेगा आप सेम चीज ही
सेम
वो
चीज बोले
आउटपुट
जा
ही
रहे
दे रहा है.
हैं एंड
So आप,
रॉनेस भी नहीं हट जाएगी उससे, वो ह्यूमन कनेक्ट को हैम्पर ही करेगा आपके.
yes, so that's how and then I, I tweet this a lot, and it's a very amusing, like saying that AI generated content needs more editing than human generated content.
दैट इज ट्रू.
तो
दैट इज ट्रू.
क्योंकि अगर मैं एज अ कॉपी राइटर मैं कुछ लिखता हूँ तो आधी एडिटिंग तो मैं तभी कर देता जब मैं लिख रहा होता हूँ, बिकॉज आई फ्रॉम द ब्रेन इट्स यू स्टार्ट रिमूविंग थिंग्स एंड यू स्टार्ट पुटिंग थिंग्स. एआई जब आता है तो आपने रियलाइज किया अच्छा ये तो नोवेयर क्लोज टू माय कंज्यूमर लैंग्वेज है, एंड यू स्टार्ट एडिटिंग इट एंड यू एंड अप डूइंग 70% चेंजेस इन द लैंग्वेज. द मोटिव स्टिल कैन बी सेम, तो I that human touch is important, because human only understand human. It helps a lot. So अभी ये ना आपके assistant की तरह है. So rather than thinking that okay, AI will become the only thing which will survive, ऐसा नहीं है. It is your assistant, and it is just helping you to give you more ideas as a copywriter or as anyone. ये आपको और suggestions दे रहा है, so that you get more ideas, and आप अपना दिमाग उसको रिफाइन करने में ज्यादा लगाओ.
दिखाओ rather than
Yeah, I think we should embrace it, and it's just going to do wonders in the
just
coming time.
integrate and rather than keep like on dependency. Yeah, being more creative and where our creative bones of mind and
Yeah,
yeah.
and use it because it makes life easy.
Life easy, yeah, but yeah, but again with like balance, obviously you need to apply your creative bones to that. It's not like something is there. Okay, so we are reaching towards the end of it, and I just want to give I mean, you can give last note to listeners, any motivation, inspiration, or you think like whatever is coming in marketing. So yeah, for that, and then we can end it.
So from a motivation point of view, I can only say that if if people are interested into marketing, and if they uh, they want to get into marketing, should get into marketing with an open mind, because क्या होता है कि there's lot of terms and definition which are floating, but honestly none of these are marketing till the time you come get your hands dirty. That's when you realize that marketing के अंदर भी काफी सारे सब डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं. सो आपको
Yeah,
पता नहीं कि आपकी स्किल सेट किसको किस
better
पे
कर.
ज्यादा बेटर चलती है. सो यू हैव टू कम नो. अभी तो बहुत चीजें इजी हो गई हैं, वेयर यू कैन डू स्पेशलाइजेशन विद इन सब डोमेन ऑफ मार्केटिंग. जब हम करते थे हम ओवरऑल मार्केटिंग करते थे. नाउ यू कैन डू मार्केटिंग इन कम्युनिकेशन, यू कैन डू मार्केटिंग, यू कैन डू परफॉर्मेंस गूगल. तो आप स्पेसिफिक चीजें कर सकते हो. So come with an open mind, see where your potential lies, learn that one particular skill, and one thing I always say, is becoming like common. People who are listening to my podcast will say ये एक ही चीज पे end करते हैं, but I will say be fluid. कि आप आओ और उसके बाद एक रोल से दूसरे रोल पे जंप करो, बिकॉज अगेन मार्केटिंग के अंदर एसईओ है, सोशल मीडिया है, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग है, परफॉर्मेंस है, पीआर है. सी बी फ्लूइड, आप फ्लोट करते रहो. यू विल come to know that आपका strength कहाँ पर है, then master that particular thing and just go after it.
I mean, pick one thing and then do the mastery and then keep learning and keep evolving.
Keep
That's what
learning.
you
Yeah, don't be yeah.
you be fluid about it.
Don't
Right.
correct.
Got it.
Don't be rigid on that. I only want to do social media or I only want to do performance.
But you
You
never know
just
क्योंकि कल कुछ और आ जाएगा तो आपको फिर expand करना ही पड़ेगा. So
exactly
be agile. Be in
be
IT
agile.
term we say be agile on that. Okay.
Correct.
Thank you so much, Raghuveer. It was great listening to you and also having your insight. मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा खुद के लिए भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा learning हो गई. So thank you so very much. And on that note, I think we can end the podcast. Thank you, listeners, for listening
Thank
to
you.
us. Thank you so much. And on that note, stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay grateful. I'll see you another one. Bye.
That's why I can't. Yeah.
Google Meet actually mute है.
Okay. ठीक है. Thank you so much, Siddhi. I think it was
आवाज आ
great.
रही है? मेरे को आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. आप म्यूट.
हाँ.
मीट पे म्यूट. हाँ.
Problem.
Technicalities. I just need your one